Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on REN token. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that REN token broke out a very big falling wedge pattern and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of 5 cents. You can see it has been breaking as a resistance here. And after the breakout, the price line got rejected by the next resistance of 9 cents and retested the previous resistance of 5 cents as a support several times, and now it is again geared up, and recently you can see that it has broken out the next resistance of 9 cents, and right now it is retesting the previous resistance of 9 cents as a support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after this short rally to the upside, the price line is dropped down, and right now it is testing this level as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Right now, after breaking out this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance, the price line is trying to break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And you can see that for the past several months or even years, it is working at a very, very strong resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see we got stable ejections here back in November 2021. And then right now, after these rejections, the price line is again trying to break it out. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for hard, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal almost 3 days ago on 14th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of REN token. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of May 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. We got stable bounces here, stable ejections here, and almost we have one more ejection here as well. Stable touch points here, another bounce here, and then stable ejections by the resistance of this wedge. And finally here in the month of October 2023, we have broken out the resistance of this very huge falling wedge pattern. And this is just a beginning of a very, very massive bull run. And now after breaking out this resistance, we can expect that this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. However, so far after the breakout, the price line is not able to break out this quite long-term resistance of 9 cents. In fact, we have broken out recently, and now we are retesting this resistance. You can see we got rejection here. Before that, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And before that, it has been breaking as a support here. And now it is possible that after a successful retest, the price line may break another resistance, the next resistance that we have here at 17 cents. Right now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that it is after the breakout, moved down and retesting the previous resistance of 9 cents as a support. And now, after a successful retest, it can move to the next resistance. However, if this retest will be failed and if the price then breaks down this support of 9 cents, then it can drop down at the next long-term support again. That is here at 5 cents. That is also another very strong support. You can see for stable weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance. Before that, it was breaking as a support here. And after the breakout, you can see for stable weeks, it has been breaking as a support here as well. Now, if we take a look at this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, then you can see that the price line has also crossed up the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And once it will be able to break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, then it will be also flipped into a very strong and long-term support for the price line. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this wedge pattern, that long-term technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is between $1.30 to $1.50. So this was the update so far I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.